In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mail to Mailerlite. We'll walk through the full process of sending a campaign to your subscribers step by step, so by the end, you'll feel confident hitting that send button. Before you begin, make sure you're already logged into your Mailerlite account and that you have at least one group or segment of subscribers set up. That way, everything we do will connect smoothly. Once you're inside your dashboard, start by going to the Campaigns tab in the main menu. This is where all of your email broadcasts live. Look for the option that says Create Campaign and click it. This tells Mailerlite you want to start a brand new email you'll be sending out to your list. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of campaign. For a standard one-time email blast, select Regular Campaign. This is the most common option and works for newsletters, announcements, promotions, or any one-off email you want to send to your subscribers. After choosing the campaign type, it's time to build the content of your email. Mailerlite will prompt you to choose an editor. A popular choice is the drag and drop editor because it lets you visually build your email by dragging in text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers without touching any code. Take your time here. Write a clear subject line, add your main message, and make sure your branding looks consistent with your website or other emails. When you're happy with the layout, the text, and the images, click Done Editing to move on. Now you'll choose who receives this campaign. You'll see options to select recipient groups or segments. Groups are usually your main lists, while segments let you target subscribers based on specific criteria like behavior or interests. Carefully pick the group or segment that should receive this email, then click Next, Review and Confirm to proceed. On the review screen, double-check everything: the subject line, the sender details, the content preview, and the selected recipients. This is your chance to catch any typos or wrong lists before sending. When everything looks correct, click Next Schedule. For this walkthrough, choose Send Now if you want your email to go out immediately. Finally, confirm by clicking Send. And that's it. You've created, targeted, reviewed, and sent a Mailerlite campaign from start to finish.